LOWG'S Workshop. Hey, what's up? It's LOWG'S Workshop. I'm gonna show you how to get the fastest settings. Oh wait, I was way too close to the mic. Hold up. Hey, what's up? It's LOWG'S Workshop, and I'm gonna show you how to get the fastest print settings. You can do this on Prusa, Orca, or Bamboo Studio. Bamboo Studio? Yeah, I think that's what it was called. Anyways, if you want to get the fastest print settings without ruining your quality, here's the things you want to do. Now, this one depends on the size of your print. For like a Benchy, you should do around like 10%, maybe 8, but we're gonna do 10, alright? We're gonna do 10. However, if it's like a bigger print, like this big-ish, you're gonna want to do like 4 or 5%. It'll save you a lot of filament. And make sure that your wall loops, this depends on the brand of your filament, because if the filament is really cheap, then you're gonna want to add like 3 or 4, because if you have it at 2, it's gonna be see-through. But if you have some on-brand filaments, 2 is good for small prints. However, if it's a big print, if it's like that big, you might want to set it to like 3, 4. If you like really want good quality, you might have to set it to 5. But we're just gonna do 2, because like we're doing a regular size Benchy. It's not all that bad. This doesn't affect print quality as long as you're not like picky. But setting the layer height to 0.28 will like increase the speed by a lot. And I was told that if you set grid to lightning, that's like 10 times faster than it's like 10 times faster than the rectangular. When we go to slice it, it's only 24 minutes and 27 seconds.
Wow.
However, the original settings, see how many layers that is? 46 minutes and 13 seconds. Now, if we head over here to the light box that I made for a previous video, you'll see that when we go to slice it, for the thinness of this print, you think it would take like what, an hour, 2 hours? But you would be way off, because this actually takes 4 hours and 55 minutes, almost 5 hours. And when I saw these numbers, I was a bit confused, because this is a pretty simple print. It's just a light box, there's nothing special to this. Which is why I'm going to show you these settings so that prints like this can go all the way down to at least 2 hours. So first, you already know, we're setting our layer height to 0.28. Max out every speed. But LOWG, what if it ruins the print quality? It won't, trust me, it's not going to ruin anything, bro. Max everything out to your printer's limits. You might notice some defects in bigger prints or more detailed prints, but I've done it before, and I don't really mind. Now you see, everything's maxed out. Like we did with the last one, we're going to be setting this to lightning. Would you look at that? Now it is down to 3 hours and 48 minutes. It was up to 4 hours and 50 minutes when I first sliced this. I'm about to print out the Benchy to show you guys how it looks. Now we're going to send it off to the printer, one taking under 30 and one taking over 45.
Alright, we got our Benchies here. Here's the one printed with regular speeds, and here's the one printed with the fast settings. As it's very noticeable and it's not very pretty, it looks not too noticeable on bigger prints, like this Mario statue. It was using 0.28 layer lines for faster printing, and needless to say, it's not that noticeable. And even if it is a little bit noticeable in some areas, you shouldn't really mind unless you're like picky. Overall, the quality on the faster settings doesn't vary too much from the regular one. And that should be all for this video. Faster settings, you get faster prints with minimal quality changes. Regular prints, slower time with slightly better quality. The choice is yours, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
LOWG'S Workshop.